Alright traders, yesterday gave us a clean rally, pushing past CPI highs and shifting structure. But with housing and industrial data hitting today and FOMC hitting tomorrow, expect the market to position ahead of the big event. As a small recap, yesterday we opened above Friday's POC, which resulted in an instant buy rally. We took out the 5,727 CPI high from last week and now forming higher highs and higher lows, which means we are forming an uptrend. But sellers stepped in at 5,750, knocking the ass back into balance. Let's break it all down. The 10-day volume profile shows more room to run, filling this double distribution above 5,700 as we mentioned yesterday, staying inside September's value between 5,762 and 5,634. The weekly chart structure shows us key breakout levels. The weekly is still one time framing down with a high at 5,810, and we broke last week's value area. Support is now at 5,692. Daily one time framing up is confirmed. The low is now at 5,651.50. We see that the bulls are fighting for control. ES is battling this weekly VWAP right here. We had a break and retest at 5,730, but sellers hit hard at 5,750. Buyers will need to clear this zone for sustainable upside power. Looking at our New York TPO, we saw that yesterday we opened very strong. Buyers controlled the early action. We accelerated through this spike with the base at 5,691 and start building value between that level and 5,731, where the sellers pushed price down. Globex failed to keep price above 5,730, so now we are back in balance. On the 1 hour chart, we see a clean uptrend forming, but a failed breakout above 5,730. With this Globex pullback, price needs to confirm direction. Strike prices remain very wide with a low at 5,600 and a high at 5,925, which is normal with OPEX coming in, so we expect some volatility. And for a game plan, my line in the center will be 5,722, which converges with this high volume node ledge. For a bullish plan, we can long above 5,725, targeting 5,735, 5,750, 5,762. Bears will stay below this line in the sand, shorting at 5,720, targeting 5,701, 5,680 and 5,660. Okay guys, remember we are still rolling over contracts and we have a high impact news week coming up with tomorrow's FOMC, which could slow price action today. Don't get caught in fake moves before the real volatility kicks in. Hit like and subscribe if you want these breakdowns daily, and I'll see you tomorrow for the big FOMC day.